There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S. Divas.
What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? What's up, fam? Y'all already know what time it is. I hope everybody's having like a really great day. Like, truly, I wish everybody to have a great day while you're watching this, evening, afternoon, morning, whenever you're watching this video. Hope y'all are having like a really great day. I think I should just put some Visine in my eyes before I did this video, but we just gonna get through this, okay? So anyway, you guys, I'm chilling. Now today I got actually 4 braids, okay? So I'm really trying to catch these little bit of hairs. You know what? I'm so happy that my hair has been growing. Like, seriously, I don't know really how true I feel about the hairstyle still. I think once it started outgrowing its actually shortness, I tried to figure out how to keep it kind of like packed down. So I think I'm getting through that, but I seem like I just go back and forth with different type of curl foams or styler mousses or wrap mousses or just whatever. So anyway, let me stop rambling. Y'all already know what time it is when it's my first wig with girl look, okay? We about to have a good time right now. We about to be slayed, okay? Got some short summer vibe here going on. This unit is 14 inches and all I had to do, baby, all I did was wash it. The only reason why I washed it is because it's a very natural wave texture, like, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to see if I could just give it a little bit more, you know, wave. What I tell you guys, you get like a wavy unit or a curly unit, you always should just wash it, co-wash it, because the curl pattern or the wave pattern will form totally different. You really be able to define your own curls, especially because it's wet. But like I said, this is a natural wave. It's not like curly. It's not body wave or loose wave. It's just a natural wave. Great lace from My First Wigs, you guys. They have air lace. They have Swiss tinted lace. I do believe that this is the air lace, only because I could tell from the difference in the texture. But I'll make sure to put it down below. 13 by 6. Girl, I didn't have to bleach it. I didn't have to pre-pluck it. All I got to do is just put this baby on and we're going to style her. While I go ahead and cut the lace in the nape area, I'm going to show you how your wig comes from My First Wig.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDMing, yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low, but I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of laugh out loud since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, me, timing's right. So right. Our romance to be, can't deny. Love the things we do when it's just us two. But tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip. Souls on big smile. Let's hit this flick. Stars are in line. I'm posted. Lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it now. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, gotta hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so bear with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared for it. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, baby, meet me. Time is right. Our romance to be. Can't deny. I love the things we do. But tonight, outside. Outside.
Alright, you guys, so this was a typically easy unit to put on. This one was super easy. Like, this is a nice length. I like it. And the hair texture feels so soft. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the best of the best of the best, the best wig companies. Myfirstwig, RPG Show. I'm just saying, like, you know, you got your favorites. These are my favorites. You don't really have to do a lot. I like the texture. I like the whole length of this. But for the most part, very great lace, thinned out hairline, which looks way natural than versus you having to pluck it. Girl, listen, let me tell y'all something. I don't really like to sit here and be plucking no wigs, bleaching no wigs. I mean, I get it. Some of them you have to do that, but I'm telling you guys, if you have never worn a wig before and you're watching this video trying to figure out how to, you know, customize your unit, girl, stop worrying and just go to Myfirstwigs, get you one of those units, you know, ask for the deep bleaching and natural hairline. Baby, you'll be doing like it's your day, okay? Doing like you're born to slay. I'm saying, y'all definitely want to check out Myfirstwigs. I'm telling you guys, easy maintenance. The cap feels really good. They have these available in 13x4, 13x6 units. The inches, 14 inches. Now this looks like somebody's 16, but you know, we just gonna keep it like that. They will make you believe that you got a 16-inch or that you ordered a 16-inch when they really gave you extra inches. Like, I swear, you guys, their 14 inches look like other companies' 16 inches. Because trust me, the unit has not been adhered down. You know, there goes my comb. And even my sideburn hairs are not even adhered down. Easy. You don't have to do all that extra work with putting your wig down with glue or hairspray. This one was super duper easy. But for the most part, you got nice deep parting. Girl, not a speckle was in sight. I'm really, really happy with this unit. All right. I like these lengths now. I'm not really like that. I like long hair too, but my preference would be like something like this. It's a natural length. I cannot wait for my hair to grow back to this length. Girl, I can't wait for my hair to grow back so I can put it in a ponytail, okay? And who knows how long that's going to be. But until then, I will throw on a wig when I want to look cute and a little bit fancy. And you know what's best to do it with is a Myfirstwig. You guys, I'll leave all the information down below. Let me know what y'all think about this unit. I will see y'all in the comments section. Stay diva and divalicious. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Behave yourselves out there in public. I love you all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
When it's just us two, but tonight, meet me outside. Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this flick. Start